Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Honda Fit.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.